Let's say I woke up tomorrow in a parallel universe and my brand completely disappeared. What would I do? Well, first of all, if I woke up tomorrow and my brand completely disappeared into thin air, I would for sure freak out. But I'm not gonna lie, I have definitely caught myself fantasizing about starting a new brand, especially knowing what I know now. So if you want to learn more about what I would do if I had to start my fashion brand all over again in 2021, keep watching this video. Hey everyone, my name is Stephanie and I'm the host of the Start Your Fashion Business channel. If you want to learn about all things fashion business, maybe you want to learn how to start a fashion brand, then you have come to the right place. I'm a sustainable brand owner and an ethical garment producer, and I'm also a fashion business coach. So I'm really here to share with you all of my tips from being in the industry for the past 12 years. Now, if you're new around here, then I want to give you a warm welcome. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of my videos because I drop one every Saturday. Now, make sure to check out my older videos too for more content. So if I were to hit reset and I had to start a brand completely from scratch in 2021, I would do things a lot differently than when I started my brand, This Is a Love Song, in 2010. So I'm going to outline these steps so that you can also implement it if you wanted to start a brand this year in 2021. So make sure to get comfortable, grab a notebook, grab a pen, grab some water, and jot these next ideas down. Number one, secure your name. If I were to start a fashion brand in 2021, the first step that I would do is to make sure the brand name is available, especially now that a lot of social media handles are already taken. So first I would check if the .com is available. That's super important. And I would then make sure that this specific name is also available across all social media platforms without me having to add a description at the end, such as the label or the collection, because to be honest, I want my brand name to be clean and I hate having to add something at the very end or have to tweak something in the name because someone else has already taken it. So I would suggest to first do that, check to see if your brand name is available and that is the same across all platforms, and secure that. Number two, I would build my audience. So once I've already secured my name, I would start building my audience on social media for free. The power of social media is that you can use it as a free marketing tool. So it's never too early to start posting and putting content out there that is relevant and shows your brand's aesthetic, vision, and mission, because you want to start attracting your ideal audience from day one. It's going to take some time to build your audience, so you want to do it as soon as possible. And for me, I would use Instagram because my make-believe fashion brand would be targeting millennials, and most millennials are hanging out on Instagram. So you don't necessarily have to use Instagram as your number one platform, especially if your demographic is maybe younger or older. So for instance, with a younger demographic, they're mostly on TikTok. So you would research where these people are hanging out and then start utilizing that social media platform to start building the like, know, and trust factor. So this is my second step that I would do immediately. Number three, form a relationship. So now that I'm already engaging with my ideal audience and building this relationship with them on social media, I'm also going to bring them into the design process. So I will start involving them into this creative process, showing them what I'm doing and how I'm sampling so that they feel invested and they feel excited of what's to come. And in return, I'm also going to get really valuable feedback of what they like and what they don't like, which I can then use to perfect my samples. So this is really important because I want them to be a part of the journey and get really, really excited for the brand to launch and for them to buy the products. Number four, build hype and influence. At this point, I would create a few samples and I would also select a handful of influencers to work with to start building hype around the brand as part of my marketing strategy. So I would choose influencers that are of course on brand and that also have really high engagement in that targeted niche so that they can share the brand story to their audience. So they will start posting on their social media platform, and it can be a series of teaser campaigns or whatever it is to start hyping up the brand and to get people excited about what's to come and to get people really, really curious. Number five, implement scarcity. So I would announce my launch date on social media and through my influencer marketing campaigns, but most importantly, I will also announce the fact that it's exclusive. There's going to be a limited run, so during the countdown, I'm going to allow them to sign up to a waiting list if anyone wants to see the collection and buy it first. I will base my entire marketing strategy on scarcity so that my brand is not available all year round. And I will do small drops frequently throughout the year, such as Supreme, so that people get really excited when a new collection comes out. Number 6, implement sustainability. One thing that I would do if I were to start a fashion brand all over again in 2021 is to implement sustainability from the get-go, which is what I would suggest you do too. If you want to succeed in being a fashion brand of the future, you must think about implementing sustainability, but not just for the sake of your success, also for the sake of the planet. Being a sustainable fashion brand is not just a trend. I strongly believe that it should be the only way moving forward. But being a sustainable fashion brand is so much more than just using eco-friendly fabrics. You must think of how your business will impact the 3 Ps, which is people, profit, and the planet. Number 7, get a mentor. When I started my brand in 2010, it took me 2 years before it really took off because I didn't have proper directions and I was trying out different strategies but seeing little results. Now, I was being Google guru, but instead I was wasting so much time, money, and energy and not seeing these results. Now I know that investing in myself means that I'm investing in my business because essentially I'm the entrepreneur driving my business. So I do recommend getting a mentor if you want to expand your skills, expand your knowledge, and shorten your learning curve. So this was my top 7 tips or steps that I would take if I were to start a fashion brand all over again in 2021. So if you find this video helpful and you like this video, give it a thumbs up and perhaps share this video with your friends because it might help them too if they're interested in starting a fashion business in 2021. You're obviously watching this because you're also interested in starting your own fashion business, and this is why I want to invite you to my free masterclass. In this free 60-minute masterclass, you will learn what it takes to create a profitable fashion business in 2021. So you can check out the link below in the description box if you want to sign up to the masterclass. You can even hop on to my Instagram here, and there's a special highlight that says masterclass, so you can read what our students are saying about the masterclass so far. Now, if you do choose to attend the masterclass, make sure to stick around till the very end because you'll be able to download a free brand guide template that's worth a couple $1,000s on its own. So trust me, it's totally worth it. Now with that being said, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank you so much for watching, and if you do want to connect with me, follow me on Instagram at Start Your Fashion Business. And as always, this channel is dedicated to all things fashion business, so if you want me to cover a specific topic or if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below so that I can check it, and I will see you next week.